Well, come to find out that these boats that are here, they're actually like not boats that are having trouble out there, but they're boats that got into trouble out there because they assisted refugees that were out there in the ocean trying to escape Africa or wherever, and these people with these boats assisted, and so all of these boats are confiscated, and I'm sure there's a gazillion legal hoops of fire for these people to try and get their boats back. But anyway, in the meantime, they have basically been ransacked and stripped. You can see the topping lift on this one has been removed. There's another one that just has like all the bedding was pulled out and cushions, and basically they've just been ransacked. So I guess it's a pretty good deterrent for anyone to pick up refugees out there. Had to ask myself, if it comes to us out there finding a boat full of people who are about ready to drown and die, with little kids on them especially, damn, what do? You know? Sheet. I guess we just have to toss them everything that floats from our boat, keep them afloat, call the Coast Guard. Do not pick up any refugees in these Italian waters. No. This poor boat came unfurled. The sail's just shredded. This one, is that a sail? I think at one point it was. Very sad. Aloha.